Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Commerce Pro. It comes with the 2-litre diesel engine and features the automatic transmission. It's also finished in the sleek pure grey paintwork. Taking a look at your exterior features, on the front you'll find your headlight unit with automatic activation for brilliant visibility. It also comes with the 16-inch alloy wheels in that silver design. And around to the rear you'll find the reversing camera offering aid when manoeuvring. You've also got the parking sensors as well for that audible indication. Into the rear you've got the barn style doors allowing easy access as well as a sliding side door. You've also got lashing rings on the floor for load restraint. Into the driver's door card you'll find the electric windows and the heated and folding door mirror controls with electric adjustment. Inside, some fantastic styling in here with the lovely cloth upholstery with the armrests and manual adjustment as well, including ergo comfort for lumbar support. On the steering wheel you'll find the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions as well as volume for the media system. You've also got the next and back buttons as well as some controls to the digital cockpit display. Taking a look at this, you can flick through the dials on either side to reveal information such as trip computer or even media system info such as the audio. Onto the main media system you've got telephone connectivity for Bluetooth hands-free calling when on the go. You've also got plenty of radio and media with DAB offering stations from across the country, as well as your personal inputs including USB connectivity and Bluetooth audio. You can also use that Bluetooth as well for hands-free calling when on the go. You've got the navigation system here too, allowing for easy navigating to unfamiliar destinations. Under App Connect you'll find the smartphone integration, allowing you to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to use apps through the screen. You've got the front and rear parking sensor diagram as well as the reversing camera offering the parking guidelines so you can see clearly. The climate controls can also be adjusted on the screen nice and simply, and either side you do have the front heated seats to keep nice and toasty. Moving down from here you've got some quick select buttons for the main media system as well as plenty of storage in the centre with a 12-volt USB connections, automatic gear stick and parking brake. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.